What is the most fruitful type of product to sell on Amazon? By the end of this video, you will know what it is. You will also know the 8 benefits of this product type, and I'm going to give you some examples, some actual product ideas off of this, where you can see these benefits in action. And if you do enjoy this, remember to smash like for us and subscribe to the channel. And when researching this product type or any other, it's very important you use the right criteria. This way you ensure you're breaking into the market while making profit. That's why today we're giving away a free guide, which is going to guide you on the 5 most vital criteria to use when looking for high profit products on Amazon. And you can get your free product research guide at jod.com/research, or you can use the link we provided in the description below. And before I reveal the product type, let's start with the 8 benefits of this product type. And please do try guess what it is before I get to the end of the 8. And on a system, comment below before we finish the 8 what product type you think it is. But here are the 8 benefits. Number 1 is premium pricing. When a product is seen by peers, friends, relatives, a buyer tends to spend more. Wanting others to think highly of them, they often aim to purchase the best product, even if it's at a higher price. Also with this product type, the buyer is often inexperienced within this niche, and so they use price as an indicator of quality when trying to buy the best product. Of course, for you as the seller, this allows you higher profit margins. Number 2. High review conversion rate. This product type involves a highly memorable impact experience during the product's journey, and this means that buyers are more likely to respond to your review requests, therefore increasing the amount of reviews you get from requests. Number 3, high review ratings. And this is due to easy buyer goal achievement. Anytime a buyer purchases a product, they do so to achieve a goal. And the better your product helps the buyer achieve that goal, the higher the review ratings you're going to get. And this product type has one of the easiest buyer goals for you to achieve. Number 4, high development potential. The nature of this product type lends itself to the full customer experience. What that means is it gives you a variety of options in terms of bundling, accessorizing, product inserts, and packaging. And customers looking for this product type value those things. So your time spent on differentiating and developing products further is worthwhile. 5. Low brand dominance. Many of the niches around this product type lack big brand competition. And this is because this product type, the actual products benefit a lot from quirky and unique adaptations. Big brands tend to stick to simple products. 6. Regular sales peaks. And while some niches of this product type are seasonal, others are evergreen, but they all benefit from one or more sales peaks or high sales periods throughout the year. 7. Lower ad spend and easier ranking. Products within this product type tend to be found using a number of different customer search terms, aka keywords. Having a variety of search terms for a product is always beneficial because it reduces the competition of trying to be a top result for those search terms. And this also means you have to spend less on pay-per-click ads for that variety of keywords to get in front of shoppers. There's more options. And for fear of giving it away, I left number 8 for last. Review rating sustainability. The buyer of this product type is often not the user of the product, and that means even if the user has a bad experience using the product, it likely will not result in a bad review. In fact, you've already helped the buyer achieve their goal, so you probably have a positive review even if the user has a bad experience using the product. Now, that is not to say you can cut corners and have a bad quality product, but it is a review advantage here. And if you haven't guessed it yet, the product type is giftable products. These are products which of course buyers purchase for the purpose of gifting to someone else. And this is one of the most powerful product types for sellers to build their business around. So what makes a product giftable, and how can you identify these within your product research? As you do your product research, use the free product research guide we provided below, but also keep these giftable product green flags in mind. A product is likely giftable if all the competitor titles have terms like gift within them, Father's Day gift, Valentine's gift. Or if many of the main images show exceptional packaging and they focus on the packaging aspect of the product, it might even include ribbons and bows. Or if the product reviews on those products refer to the buyer actually purchasing this as a gift, and sometimes even the gifting experience. Or if the product ranks highly for gift search terms like Father's Day gift or gift for men, gift for women. And another way to identify these is if the products have a massive drop in BSR. Remember, lowest BSR means it sells more, so they begin selling more, have a lower BSR during peak gifting seasons like Christmas, Valentine's Day, etc. And of course, if the nature of the product lends itself to gifting. As you will know from your experience, for example, hobbyist products are very often very good gifts. But I know this still may seem obtuse, so here are 3 real-world examples of this type of product and how the benefits actually play out. The first can be found under the search term aromatherapy spa basket for women. The second can be found under the search term cocktail smoker kit. And the third can be found under Whiskey Stone's gift set for men. And with all of these, you can see the importance of presentation and packaging. This is always emphasized in the main images. Also, most are combination products, making them very suited to further development like bundling, accessorizing, and that makes them very suited to private label sellers. And you can see some of the review advantages playing out here on the Whiskey Stone set with very, very high ratings overall and across offerings. These are primarily purchased as a gift. And if we look at the nature of those reviews to prove this further, you see that many of them are by buyers who purchase the products for another end user. They purchase this as a gift, and they often refer to their memorable experience of gifting the product as the buyer achieving their goal. You can see the premium pricing in action on the cocktail smoker kit. This product is often bought by women for men. Women, sometimes being inexperienced in the niche, use price as an indicator of quality, wanting to buy a really good product, and generally purchase the higher priced products. Additionally, we see differentiation advantage here. Those with the torch, higher value, make for a better gift and self-image, and so many choose this over the more basic one or lower value offer without the torch. Again, we see the premium pricing in action on the aromatherapy spa basket for women, where customers, likely men buying this as a gift for women, tend to choose the higher priced offers again, and certainly don't flock to the lowest price offers, often themselves being inexperienced in the niche. And if we use the Whiskey Stone set again here, we can see the keyword or customer search term advantage. And this product shows up for customer searches of its main normal keywords. Keywords like Whiskey Stone's gift set for men, or whiskey glass set, or whiskey glass set of 2. But it also shows up for keywords like gifts for men, men's birthday gift ideas, anniversary gifts for men. And of course, these events are just some of those high sales peak periods we touched on earlier. But this is also why a lot of these products actually include these gift search terms within their titles. They are trying to leverage this dual keyword advantage, if you will, 2 ways of finding the same type of product. Also, just as a pro tip, you can approach this in reverse, looking first at the gift customer search terms and then going into the specific main product type keywords. And you can see 3 examples of products which have done this well. The first is this multi-tool hammer outdoor kind of gift set for men. The second is literally called the man box. And the third is a happy birthday box for women. And so with those last 3, that would actually be the entire reverse, where their main keywords are actually the gift keywords. Secondarily would be the keywords related to the components of their bundles. You now know the best type of product to sell on Amazon, and you can apply this within your research or even when building out your products further, including aspects like the packaging. And if you found this insightful, please do drop us a quick like below. Also comment for me if you're going to be applying this strategy or even related strategies like this to your product. Remember to get your free product research guide at JOD.com/research or at the link in the description below. And to take your Amazon seller journey to the next level with 150 fully built out lessons, laser focused on teaching you the art of selling on Amazon, go to JOD.com/freedom. Remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next upload, and I will catch you in one of the next videos.